The thief woman saw the package at the door. Wanting to steal it, she stopped her car in front of the house, took the package, and quickly drove away. The thief spent all day planning. He was going to open the store door, go inside, and steal everything. But he couldn't even get the door open.
Someone might blow it.
Two thieves jumped over the fence, broke into the house, and stole everything valuable before fleeing.
Come on.
A drunk man with unclear intentions showed up at a stranger's doorstep. He lingered there for a long time, confusing the homeowner. The man who kept calling 911 asked the police for help. Officers arrived at the scene but found no one there. The burglar smashed the glass door panels and entered the store. His plan seemed perfect. When the alarm sounded, he ignored it completely and began rapidly emptying the store. He swiftly stole everything valuable. Finally, deciding he'd taken enough, the thief exited through the broken entrance and escaped. Police are still searching for him. The thief must have been absolutely convinced he could break the camera. This man was trying to break into a stranger's house late at night. The thief didn't expect to see anyone in the house. When he spotted the man inside, he immediately ran away. The thief, with his nighttime plan ready, tried to disable the camera but failed. This woman was looking through a stranger's mailbox.
It's over. I don't fucking breathe. Oh, no. It's not here. I'll find the keys. This is the car I'm taking. This is motherfucking brand new. What is it? This is my car, Zuckerberg. I own this one. What is this shit? Tucson Blue? This shit's awesome. Thanks.
It wasn't clear what the old man intended to do, but when he noticed the camera, he quickly left the area. The female thief rang the doorbell and waited for a long time to check if the homeowner was away. Unaware she was being recorded, she tried to appear inconspicuous. Convinced no one was home, she stole the packages by the door and left. The man came and sat in a stranger's yard, then after a while decided to go inside.
What the fuck?
We don't know why he did it, but this man was checking whether all the doors were locked.
Car.
Hi, you
Hello.
are currently being recorded.
The bowling ball. Well, no, I'm looking at number. It was before, but was he? He was too Epstein, man. You call that boss. No breakfast. Well, not big stuff. One to one. Look for a they can help you. They do that. You people, they give to her. It's wicked to them. We used to get book. And even little bit too much. Batman.
The thief trying to open the door fails.
Nikki.
Yeah, man, can I help you?
Nikki on?
Nah, man, this is the wrong spot, man. So go ahead, step.
Sorry about that.